Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica and I'm back, of course, as usually with another unboxing. This time it's gonna be a limited edition box. This one used to be called before Allure Beauty TRILL. Right now it's called Allure Beauty Swag, if I'm pronouncing that right. Used to come 4 times a year. Now they had this offer for three boxes. I think was around 120 for all 3 boxes, and I have the first one. This one is the May box and supposed to come in May, but they sent it by the end of June, I believe, and I got this while I was out of the country. Anyway, I didn't open it, and I wanna open this one now. Let's see what's in this box. You get all kind of products in this one, from face, hair, body, everything in this one. Let's see what's in this box. And this one comes with the card, and we have all the products in here. I think I had a video with beauty deals regarding this box. And it seems like we have 22 items in this one. And let's see what I have here. The box looks like this. It's quite big. It used to be bigger than it is right now, and I will need some space to put all the products. The first one that I see here, it's a full-size Degree Motion Sense Dry Spray Shower Clean. It's an antiperspirant, which looks like this. About this one, I'm not gonna read anything unless you wanna hear more information. But if you wanna know more details about them, just let me know in the comments down below, and we'll talk about them in the samples of the week. The next one here, it's Lobe Miracle Instantly Makes I have no idea what's this one. Oh, earrings support patches, looks like this. And let's see what's in this box. Anyway, something new. I didn't expect to see something like this in the box. Anyway, they look like this. Let's see what they say about this one. It's a clear surgical patch that lifts, supports earrings, helps prevent tears, makes existing torn, stretch earlobes undetectable. Okay, sounds interesting. I don't have any problems like that. I hope I will never have. We'll see about this one. It's a new product. Then we have in here what we have. We have Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula with vitamin E. This one is Skin Therapy Oil for face in a rose ship fragrance with retinol, vitamin C, and something else. Looks like this. It's another full-size product, and I think we have just full-size products in here. And let me show you this one. As I said, here is the size of this. I heard good things about the Palmer's. I tried some of their body creams and I like them. As you probably know already, when it's something that I don't like for my face, I use it for my body and they work just fine. If it's good for your face, why not be for your body? Another product in here is the CeraVe Ultra Light Moisturizing Lotion with Sunscreen SPF 30 for normal to oily skin, which looks like this. And let me show you how to use the product. It's a full size. CeraVe, it's a nice brand. I tried this brand to the beauty boxes, and I like it. Then we have in here this comb, and this one is When by Chaz Dean so cut shower comb, specially designed to evenly distribute the When cleansing conditioners through your hair. So as usually we have another When product in the box. In one of the last boxes we got about three or four, if not even more, When products, and here is one that comes in this box, and here is the When product that comes. As far as I see, we have just one this time, and this is Mandarin Italian Fig Restorative Cleansing Conditioner for all skin types. Is this one, and this one as usually comes with the palm. So that's another product in the box. Let me try to move a little bit this box to be able to reach all the products. Next one, it's of another huge size. This one is Husk Charcoal with Citrus Purifying Dry Shampoo. That's a big one that will last a long time. I'm using dry shampoos, so no problem with that. We have by Tom's, this is the Orange Blossom with Moroccan Argan Oil, gentle on skin. It's natural beauty bar, it's a soap. Is this one, and my guy use just natural soap, so this goes to him. We have a Nexus product, which is Kerapix, and this one is protein infusion with keratin protein and black rice, and this one is weekly treatment for severely damaged hair, which looks like this. How many times I'm saying looks like this? You tell me. Then we have in here, and I think we have another product from Nexus. I see at least we're supposed to. Yeah, is this one. We have one more. This is from the same line, and this is a mask from the same line with the treatment, two of them. And then we have another product. This is another When product, 613 Ultra Nourishing Daily Cleansing Treatment with lemon, rosemary and vanilla bean, and this one comes with the pump also. Another full-size item. Then we have in here a Freeman product, and this is Hydrating Glacier Water and Pink Peony Gel Cream Mask. I love the packaging of this one. It's very pretty, this blue and pink color. We have lots of hair products. If it's something that I don't like about this box, it's the fact that most of the products are hair products. Anyway, we have another full-size dry shampoo. This one is from this time is from Dove. I used this before and I like it. I have many deluxe samples. Then we have another hair product. This is Shea Sleek Humidity Blocking Hairspray from OGX. Another huge one. We have in here from Chapstick Total Hydration, and this one is a lip oil. We used to get the lip balm. This time is the lip oil in peach tea. with vitamin C and E. We'll see. We have then hydrogel eye mask by eye bags for targets, puffiness, dark circles, and wrinkles. Is this pair, one pair. Let me see. Yeah, it's one pair. I see a product here. Although in the pictures shows many of them, we got just one. Anyway, then we have another soap. This is the Grandpa soap acne treatment for face and body. It's another natural soap, which I know where goes. We have and this one seems to, anyway, a nail polish in this lavender color is Dare to Wear, and the shade, the color of this is Dare to Wear. Here is the color of this one. Is a pretty color. I like the color. It seems like we got some problems with this one. Probably wasn't closed very well. We have a couple more products in here. One of them is Milani, and this one is Delight something. Let me see if I can see it here. Milani, it's number 11. Amore Shine Liquid Lip Color in Delight, and they had two other shades. 8-hour wear. Let's try to open this one. I like when they come with this plastic seal, but sometimes just drives me crazy. Here is the shade of this one. It's a nude color. Which looks like this. Pretty shade. And we have 3 more items in here. One of them is the Olay Pro Retinol Eye Treatment. Is this one right here. Used to come often in boxes. We have then Wet n Wild Mega Glow Hello Halo Liquid Highlighter. I heard about those. I saw some reviews on YouTube. If I can open this one, I'll show you. This one looks like this. Has a big applicator. I need to remove that plastic. Anyway, here is the shade of this one. Looks very pretty to me. Of course, I have a lot of product on my hand, and for sure it doesn't work like that. I'll try to close this one later. And the last item in here are those hair ties. 3 hair rings and all of invisible, and this is the original one in a white gray color. They look like this. I have each one of these everywhere around the house. I think I have 10 of them spread around the house, and I never find one when I need it. Anyway, here is the last product in the box. So far I think it's a good one, a good box. All of them full sizes, I believe. The way they look, I think all of them are full sizes. Interesting products in here, new products that I didn't see in the box before. A ton of hair products. So some of you might like this, some of you maybe you're not gonna like the fact that it has so many hair products. All of them are full size and will last for I still have some WN products from the other box. We'll see what comes in next one. This one's supposed to be here in May, was in July, not in May. I think the next box should be this month in July. I didn't got any email from them, but we'll see. When that box will come, I will have another video with that one. Let me know what do you think about this box, if it's worth it or not. Probably this one is around $40 or something like that. I don't know exactly what's the value of this one. I don't see here. They don't say what's the value of the box. For sure it was when they announced that the box is coming out. Anyway, I believe those are products here in a value of maybe 200. I don't know. Let me know what do you think is the value of this box. If I'll find the value, I will leave it on the screen. I'll try to look online and see what's the value of this one. So far there are nice products in this one. Most of them, if not all of them, are drugstore products. I'm curious about this this eye mask one treatment, and if you use the other ones, let me know what do you think about them, and what do you think about this box. So far we're waiting 2 more boxes from them. We'll see what they will have. And that's kind of all for this video. I will see you guys very soon with another video, of course, another unboxing probably, because it seems like for a while I will have just hauls and all kind of other unboxing subscriptions and things like that. So thank you so much for watching. Appreciate your time. Also appreciate your comments. I will see you guys soon. You have a great day or great night. Bye bye.